Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We are just listing this 2017 Everglades 243. The boat is super custom. As you can see, it's got the upper station, LED lights, nice SeaDek package throughout, tons of storage. The boat is in super clean condition. And this one includes a Seakeeper. Not many boats of this size range have a Seakeeper. Big Garmin, Yamaha engine display, fusion stereo. This boat's got a big amp, upgraded speakers throughout, 2 jump seats in the back, nice live well, powered by 300 horsepower Yamaha, nice power pole. It's almost in brand new condition. The boat's in really good shape. Give us a call with any questions. 2017 243 Everglades. This is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah, 912-525-0961.